Imagine starting your day just minutes from some of Florida's most beautiful beaches, where the sound of the waves and coastal breezes are simply part of everyday life. This is Brandon Roche with Preferred Shore Real Estate, and today I'm excited to welcome you to a move-in ready villa located in the gated waterfront community of Perico Bay Club, perfectly positioned on the causeway between Bradenton and Anna Maria Island. Perico Bay Club offers the ideal blend of island living and everyday convenience. A secure, guard-gated community surrounded by lush tropical landscaping, peaceful waterways, and an active coastal lifestyle. Welcome to 836 Waterside Lane. This beautifully maintained 2-bedroom, 2-bath villa features just one attached neighbor, allowing for extra privacy, natural light, and a quiet interior experience. As you approach the home, you're welcomed by a spacious, gated front porch, a rare and versatile space that's perfect for entertaining, grilling, or creating your own private outdoor retreat. A one-car attached garage sits conveniently just inside the gate, with additional guest parking located nearby. Inside, the home has been freshly painted and thoughtfully updated, making it truly move-in ready. The kitchen sits just off the entry and is filled with natural light, featuring a full picture window overlooking the front patio and charming greenhouse window above the sink. Perfect for growing fresh herbs or simply enjoying the view. To the right of the entry, the primary suite offers a comfortable and private retreat, with generous space, a walk-in closet, and an ensuite layout designed for everyday ease. The primary bathroom features a dual sink vanity, a spacious shower, and a separate water closet, combining functionality with privacy while maintaining a seamless flow from the bedroom. Continuing down the hall, the home opens into a bright and spacious great room, where the living and dining areas come together under vaulted ceilings. Floor-to-ceiling mirrors enhance the sense of space, while natural light fills the room, creating an open and inviting atmosphere, ideal for both relaxing and entertaining. The guest bedroom is thoughtfully positioned for privacy and flexibility, featuring a large walk-in closet, its own full bathroom, and a sliding door that opens directly to the lanai, perfect for hosting friends or family in comfort. From the living area, sliding doors lead to the enclosed, air-conditioned lanai, a versatile space ideal for a home office, a reading nook, or even a morning coffee retreat. Attached to the lanai is a full-size laundry room with extra storage, adding convenience without sacrificing living space. Step outside to the maintenance-free back deck, where tranquil pond views, tropical landscaping, and visiting wildlife create a peaceful, resort-like setting. This is the perfect place to unwind, enjoy the sunset, and truly embrace the Florida lifestyle. Perico Bay Club offers an impressive list of amenities, including a community pool and spa, a fitness center, tennis and pickleball courts, and a kayak launch providing direct access to the bay. Scenic walking paths, social activities, and a beautifully maintained grounds make this community as active or as relaxed as you like it to be. With low-maintenance living, a prime coastal location, and the pristine beaches of Anna Maria Island just minutes away, 836 Waterside Lane offers an exceptional opportunity to enjoy the very best of Florida living. For more information or to schedule a private showing, please contact Joyce Roche at 941-219-5636. Thanks for watching.